In this video, I'll show you how to receive suggestions for recommended accounts in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a helpful setting if you want X to send you account recommendations by email so you can discover more creators, brands, and people related to your interests. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Now, let's get started. First, open x.com and log into your account. On the left navigation bar, click on More. This will open the full menu with additional account options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control your account preferences, notification settings, and privacy options. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Notifications. This section controls how X keeps you updated about activity, suggestions, and alerts. After that, choose Preferences. You'll see different notification-related settings here, so take a moment to make sure you're in the correct menu. Next, click Email Notifications. This is where X lets you decide which updates you want to receive directly in your inbox. Now look for the option labeled Suggestions for Recommended Accounts. Toggle this setting on to start receiving email suggestions for accounts that X thinks you may want to follow. Once it's enabled, X will be able to send you those recommended account suggestions automatically. And that's it. You've now turned on suggestions for recommended accounts in x.com. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.